Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY video. So I'm not going to be doing any makeup in this video. It is kind of makeup related because I've been seeing these like really cute no frame glasses on Instagram. So these glasses have no frame in them. So I was trying to see if I can like DIY these glasses. I've been like plotting on like how I was gonna DIY them. So I finally did it today. So I want to share with you like how I even got these glasses. They're like really easy to make. And it only cost me like $2 to even make these glasses. I kind of got too much supplies, like, because I wasn't really even sure like if it was gonna work out or not. So I'm gonna show you what I used to even make these glasses. So the frame itself, I got the glasses from the Dollar Tree. So they were only $1. These are like the little reading glasses from Dollar Tree. So I got a pair of those. And so I already had scissors at home. So I used these scissors to cut the frames. And these are actually like fabric scissors too. So they actually worked out pretty good because I actually bought these from the Dollar General, but I ended up not even needing these because these weren't even strong enough to like even cut through. I don't know what I was thinking. I just was trying to be prepared for what was about to happen with this DIY. So yeah, I didn't even need those. I got a 2-pack of super glue from the Dollar Tree, but some people already have like super glue at home, so you probably already have this at home. This is just like a regular super glue. This is the original super glue. And these little pearl gems that I glue on the glasses, I got these from Dollar General. So this pack right here was only $1. So I bought like 4 packs because I just wanted to be like, sure on what was about to happen, just to make sure I was like prepared for what I needed. But I only used 1 pack of these. So I still have some left out of a pack. So this whole pack right here was only $1. So I got these from the Dollar General. I was gonna use these little rhinestone things. So I got this whole sheet from Walmart. It was like $3 in the like arts and crafts section. So I was gonna use these, but I probably will use these just for like another pair to see how they come out. So yeah, if you want to see how I DIY these no frame glasses, then just keep on watching. So these are the reader glasses that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is the super glue that I got from the Dollar Tree. And these are the gems that I got from the Dollar General. So you want to start off by poking out the lens of the glasses. So this is just me. I just took off one lens of the glasses. Next, I'm just going to take out the other one. So this is me using that little plier thing. I don't know what I was thinking, but this thing did not work. So next, this is me using the scissors. The scissors actually work. So this is me. I just cut off both of. You want to cut off the top of the frame of the glasses, not the bottom, just the top. So next, this is me taking my super glue and I'm going to start to glue the gems or the pearls onto the frame. So with this, I mean, maybe you can use like some tweezers, but the glue just kept sticking to my fingers. So you want to be careful with that, especially with that super glue. You want to just take your time and kind of like hold down on the pearl when you press it onto the frame. So this is just me just continuing to glue the gems onto the frame. So you want to make sure you take your time, and when you're putting on the pearl, make sure you put it in the middle. Like make sure the gem is like in the middle of the frame, the metal frame, because you want to make sure it looks even. So I think this is the part where the gems kept getting stuck on my fingers. And also those gems already have like a adhesive on them, but you want to still use super glue so they can be like more sturdy. So I also put the little pearls on the like nose part of the frame. So I feel like these little pearls were like the perfect size for these frames. So now I'm just continuing to glue on the pearls until I finish up the whole frame. So yeah, these glasses are really super simple to make. And I didn't even use a whole pack of those pearls. So I only used like $1 worth of those pearls out of one pack. So I still have a lot left. So I probably will plan on making another pair of glasses. I probably play with like different gems or like different type of rhinestones for the frames. But I definitely will be getting my frames from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, the rest of this tutorial is just me gluing on the pearls. So yeah, that is it for this tutorial. Leave a comment below if you plan on making a pair of these glasses. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Zeno Allen Beauty. Also, don't forget to leave a comment, thumbs up the video, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.